First of all, I want to go through some of the tools that we'll be using to make our table. First, you'll need a tape measure, okay, pencil that goes with the tape measure. You want a screw gun. This can be found at any hardware store. This is kind of a high-end professional type, but there's also cheaper ones you could buy. A screw gun makes it a lot easier and quicker to do the things we need to do. Along with the screw gun, we're going to need a Phillips head bit, okay, and a drill bit. Also, we'll need some sort of ratchet, a countersink, which is for the screw gun as well, a square. This is a combination square. I could adjust the length, how it goes, okay. We'll also need a sander, and normally some sandpaper. We're going to use 2 different grits, okay? That's to finish up the project. After we have all these tools in place, we're ready to begin.